Hi guys, welcome back. Catherine here. Today I'm going to share with you the experiences I have with another product I tried, and this is L-glutamine from Cytec Nutrition. And I have to say this is a very good product. It's 100% pure L-glutamine, which means it's a pretty pure grade. And glutamine, it's an essential amino acid that we all have in our bodies, but if you exercise and you want to pay attention on what you eat, your diet, and build a lean muscle, I recommend that you take glutamine. So this one will help you fight fatigue. You will recover faster after exercise, and it will help you build lean muscle. It will replenish the glycogen stores of your muscles, so you will not feel so exhausted after that. As I said, fights fatigue, and it also boosts your immune system, which is great. So this one doesn't have any taste, doesn't have a calorie, so you can mix it with water or with your favorite protein drink, or even post-workout drink if you get one, or even a juice. And you can have several servings per day, like 3 times a day from one little scoop. There is inside one measure scoop. So I highly recommend take glutamine, especially this one, the Cytec. It's pretty good. I've tried several products, and this one I can recommend. So it's a bit high in price compared to other products, but again, this one it's 100% pure. So for me, this one it's thumb ups, and Cytec Nutrition L-glutamine. Thank you, and see you next time. Subscribe for more.